The Okaysou 6L Smart Humidifier offers impressive performance with its large 6-liter water reservoir, ensuring up to 50 hours of continuous mist that effectively covers up to 250 square feet of space. Its top-fill design makes refilling and cleaning a breeze, while the transparent water gauge allows you to easily monitor the water level. You can conveniently control the humidifier from anywhere in the room using the included remote, and it operates at a whisper-quiet noise level of only 24 decibels, perfect for undisturbed sleep. The digital LED control panel provides easy access to various functions, and you can set the timer for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours to suit your schedule. With the innovative auto mode, the humidifier adjusts its mist output automatically based on the room's humidity, ensuring optimal comfort at all times. Additionally, the built-in essential oil tray allows you to add your favorite scents, transforming your room into a fragrant oasis.